Welcome to Quiz Sprint. I hope everything's going well for you. SAT Verb Tense and Consistency Quiz, 30 questions. Think you've got grammar locked in? Please subscribe Quiz Sprint. Easy level. Choose the correct verb form. Option B. Which option is grammatically correct? Option A. Pick the verb that fits best. Option C. Which tense sounds right here? Option D. Choose the correct answer. Option B. Which verb works in this sentence? Option A. Find the correct verb tense. Option D. What's the right verb choice? Option A. Which option makes the sentence correct? Option C. Choose the best verb form. Option C. Medium level. Which answer fixes the sentence? Option B. Pick the correct tense. Option A. Which verb keeps the sentence consistent? Option C. Choose the grammatically correct option. Option D. Which choice sounds right in standard English? Option B. Which verb choice is correct? Option A. Choose the option that sounds natural. Option B. Which tense matches the rest of the sentence? Option C. Find the correct answer. Option B. Choose wisely, one option is correct. Option D. Hard level. Pick the correct grammar option. Option A. Which answer fixes the verb error? Option C. Choose the correct verb for this sentence. Option B. Which option keeps the tense consistent? Option C. Pick the right answer. Option D. Which tense should be used here? Option A. Pick the correct grammar option. Option A. Which answer fixes the verb error? Option D. Choose the correct verb for this sentence. Option D. Last one, all the best for today. Let's go. Which option keeps the tense consistent? Option B. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like, share and subscribe.